Hey guys, it is Wednesday, April the 2nd, and for 3 years, Jonathan has been telling me that he's taking me out on the sled and we're gonna go ride backcountry at Vail Pass. Well, today's the day. Oi. Oi. Come on, let's go. Yell at me first thing. When you screwed up.
I went to the wrong pickup location, but it doesn't take 20 minutes to drive to Frisco.
Yeah, it does in that van.
You guys ready to watch Chris struggle?
I don't think he understands.
How redneck I am.
I don't think he understands. I grew up on quads and motorcycles and jet skis and all of that.
So
And
did Cody.
all right, I'm on.
Slut.
You got yours on?
We'll check right before we get on the sled. Oh, that works. I'm transmit.
Gotcha.
Look, guys, I'm trans. Knitting.
Here you go.
And I'm gonna try not to fall. My not point will. If I like let go of the gas or hit the brake too hard, it's fine. All right, guys, this is the moment where Chris drives this thing and he has to make a figure eight right here, and this is a one-sided deal. If he does it, he gets $100. If he doesn't do it, he just looks like an idiot. So I'm gonna be very critical. He needs to tilt this thing sideways. He needs to be meow. You know, if you know, you know. He needs to be ripping. That being said, if you bury the track, don't keep burying it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because the deeper you get this thing, the harder it's gonna get.
Harder it's gonna be to get it out.
Yeah, at least you're big and strong. Go show us Colorado kids how it's done.
I'm not turning it at all.
That's one.
Yeah, that feels totally different than what I thought it would.
Oh, I know. Go get it.
Huh.
That's two. I'm counting that as two. I think it's safe to say you lost the bet. And you also got us in a shitty situation. So come out here. Come here. I'm just gonna teach you this while we're here. So, because until you start learning the machine, like I could probably get this turn. So, push down, lift, and pull it.
Okay,
Left.
So bounce this.
Yeah, bounce it. Yep. Okay, do it one more time. And then you would be good to get back on this.
Right.
And give her right up there. I'll demonstrate it for you as well. But you got counter steer. So you want to go right, you turn left, and then you lean.
I did that for a second.
See how I can do? I'm not very good at this myself. It's so hard. Mine are weak, but like
It makes me feel better. You were leaning into a turn and trying to turn just as much as I was, and you were pretty much doing a very similar track.
Yeah, it's not easy. But the whole point of the bet was, I was just telling you,
I can't do
it wasn't going to be easy.
No, you're right. Give it one more go.
Okay.
Slow speed, it'll go where it's turned, right?
For the most part.
Go. I didn't see that. Oh my goodness. That was sick. And here comes my ride. That was great. I did not realize I was coming off that little windswept cornice until I was cartwheeling.
My turn.
Well, it's an official backcountry day because I've tomahawked already.
Woo, baby! Pow! There's my Uber.
A little jump there. Can I call for a ride?
Oh, we needed a ride.
That was super sick. See it coming down right here. Yeah, look good. This time we're at the very top of Vail Pass. Check out how good this snow is. good jump. I just don't know what this stuff is until I'm there, you know? Down there. Yeah, buddy.
Woohoo! Alice Sook! Here's my ride. Oh yeah! Let's go.